Want to file a patent application or responding to an office action without drowning in paperwork? The USPTO's Patent Center makes it possible, all online, all in one place. Patent Center is the USPTO's modern web-based platform for filing, managing, and tracking patent applications. Whether you're a solo founder or managing a portfolio of hundreds of patents, learning to use this tool effectively can save you time, money, and frustration. Traditionally, filing a patent meant piles of form, long waits, and confusing manual processes. Errors caused delays and sometimes abandoned applications, costing inventors opportunities and firms billable time. Responding to office actions often required faxing or snail mailing responses, a huge risk in deadline-driven processes. Today, Patent Center solves these problems by bringing the entire filing and prosecution workflow into one secure digital dashboard, but only if you know how to leverage its features correctly. Here's how to master the essentials. First, getting started. You need to create a USPTO.gov account, and you verify that through ID.me and enable two-factor authentication. Yes, access is available, but registered accounts unlock the full suite of tools. Next is to file an application. From a File tab, you can start a new application. It could be a utility or a design patent or an international patent application. And within utility, you can specify provisional or non-provisional. Next you do is you upload your ADS form that lists the names and addresses of the inventors and other information such as the priority claim and the title of the invention, etc. Once you've done the ADS, then you upload your specification, your claims, abstract, and drawings. This can all be done as a single Word document. Once you've uploaded the Word document, the system validates errors automatically. The next thing you do is you can review the document, upload other documents such as, let's say, information disclosure statements, oaths, anything else that needs to be part of the filing. Once you've done that, then you proceed to calculate the fees, so it's quite convenient. With Patent Center, you can get real-time status monitoring and immediate confirmation receipts, reducing the risks dramatically. For solo inventors and founders, it levels the playing field. For small firms, drag-and-drop multi-doc upload and automated validation cut the filing time in half and minimize clerical errors that can lead to costly rejections. It's efficiency plus peace of mind, all while keeping you compliant with USPTO requirements. So Patent Center takes the prosecution into the digital era by using it to file application and to respond to office action and track deadlines. You can manage your IP more efficiently and reduce costs and minimize risks. Power Patent is compatible with Patent Center. It generates Word documents that you can use to upload. Once the document's generated by Power Patent, then you just log into your Patent Center portal and then upload documents. So we make it quite simple. Comment below if you'd like a deeper tutorial on filing provisionals, non-provisionals, or office action responses. And check out our other guide to make your IP practice faster, smarter, and more efficient.